Hello, my friends! Today we are going to draw Peppa Pig and George Pig. Let's get started. At first, I draw her nose and the shape of her head. Then I draw her eyes and her ears, her mouth, and a circle for her cheek. Then I draw her body. Then I draw the basket.
Happy and cheerful is our little pig. Through the meadows gush the brook, little pig finds a cozy nook, munching on apples green and red, dreaming of adventures ahead. Oink, 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 hear the piggies sing.
I draw her arms.
And a little swing, making friends with the ducks and the
Then I draw the shadow. Let's draw George Pig. I draw his nose. Then I draw a shape of his head. I draw his eyes and his smiling mouth and a circle for his cheek, his ears. Now I draw his body. I draw his arms. I draw his legs and his tail. Then I draw the shadow of George Pig. I draw a toy. Another toys. How many toys do you have at home?
Two little pigs, pink and round, best of friends in the sun they're found. One named Polly, one named Jack, off on an adventure.
Good job, my friends.
Boing, boing here, boing, boing there. Two little pigs in the palace, exploring the world, side by side. Every adventure they take.
Let's coloring Peppa Pig with pink color. Do you like pink color?
Through the forest, over the hill, finding adventures that give them a thrill. Building forts, playing in the mud.
Dark pink color.
Best buds in the flood. Laugh, laugh, here,
Red color.
giggle, giggle,
Peppa Pig's
there.
favorite color is red.
Joyful sounds filling the air.
What is your
Together
favorite
they
color?
play, together they stay. In sun or rain, they make
Leaf
their
green
own
color.
way. Down by the river, splashing around.
Let's coloring the basket with yellow color.
They found, racing the ducks, chasing the bees. These little pigs do as they please. Splash, splash here, dash, dash
Gray
there.
color.
Nature's playground without a care. With each new
Let's
day,
coloring George Pig with pink color.
and their joy and laughter never end.
Dark pink color. Black color. Blue color. And the shadow with gray color. And the toy with dark pink color. Orange color. And another toy with dark pink color.
In the magical places they have been.
Jade blue color. Sky blue color.
In their hearts they travel everywhere. Two little pigs
Jade blue color.
soft blow, resting up for tomorrow.
Orange color. Purple color.
When the day ends and the stars shine,
Yellow color.
share stories of their day so fine. Under the moon they rest.
Coloring the floor with sandy brown color.
Tomorrow's new threads. Oink, oink here, oink, oink there. In dreams they travel everywhere. Two little pigs in their cozy bed. Dreaming of adventures ahead.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
To Jack, two little pigs who always come back to the place they love, to the place they play, ready for adventures.